Yes.
So it's mostly about resources. It's all about resources.
It's all about resources and control of populations, because that's how you get to control resources. When populations stand up to you, as a number of Latin American countries are doing today, you begin to lose the ability to control the resources. So it's about the resources, yes, but in the process it's also about controlling people so you can get at those resources. It's got to come from the people.
Yes.
You know, in our own history of the United States, we know that, for example, slavery didn't end because Abraham Lincoln found himself in the White House. Slavery ended because the people wanted it to end, and so they put Abraham Lincoln in the White House. We didn't get out of Vietnam because Richard Nixon was anti-war. He was not. We got out of Vietnam because the people insisted, and Richard Nixon finally saw that he basically had no choice. Always it comes from the people. We can't look to our leaders to have the kind of courage or even the ability to force change unless we, the people, insist upon it. So here in Iceland, you, the people, have to insist that your resources belong to you. This is your land. You live on it. Your ancestors for hundreds of years have been here on this land, taking care of it. And now you must not sell your resources off to others and allow yourselves to be exploited this way. But it's got to come from you. You know, you can elect presidents, prime ministers, but in the end, you have to be the ones to really insist on this and unite behind your political leaders.